For a long time in my career, I ended every single year exactly where I started. Stuck and unhappy, not 1 inch closer to my dreams or the life I envisioned for myself. I was running on a treadmill, expanding energy, but going absolutely nowhere. I will start each year with an enormous enthusiasm, telling myself, this is the year I juggle fitness, career growth, better relationship, and even maintain my sanity like a pro. But within weeks, reality will set in. I'll either lose focus through the demands of everyday life or give up entirely. It took me years to discover what I was missing, and that was being resourceful with things around me, including money, not making more of it, but using it strategically to fuel my goals. That singular revelation changed everything for me. And once I started leveraging my finances intentionally, I not only achieved my goals, but did so faster and with less stress. And so in this video, I'll break down the exact 3-step process I used to transform my life and achieve my goals starting a few years back now. And by the end of this video, you have a practical, actionable system that will not only help you reach your goals, but also do it in a way that's more purposeful and empowering. Step 1. The clarity check. You don't do everything at once. Trust me, I tried. 5 years ago, I set out to tackle everything at once. Getting fit, meditating, starting a side hustle, improving my relationship, and you know the result? I failed. 2 weeks of chaos followed by an entire year of nothing. Lesson learned at the end of the day. The first step to achieving your goal this year, any year, is focusing on one area of your life you want to improve at a time, just one. And here is what I want you to try differently. Grab your phone, open your notepad, write down one area of your life you want to work on this year. If you need some inspiration, choose from one of these 4 categories: health and wellness, self and spirituality, your relationship, or career and money. And now let me emphasize, pick just one. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you can fix everything all at once in your life. You can always add another goal later in the year when you've made progress in one area. And let's say you choose to work on your health goal. Achieving the goal of health and wellness empowers your life to pay attention to your work, which helps you making money. And so focus on one thing, because it has a ripple effect on other areas of your life. Just focus on one thing. And let me take this a little bit more further. Make your goals concrete and actionable. A vague idea like get fit, improve your relationship won't work. You need a clear roadmap where each milestone represents a tangible step forward. Here's some example. If you chose health and wellness, the actionable goal here could be signing up for 3 workout classes per week, scheduling a long overdue doctor's appointment, or committing to monthly physio section for that nagging back pain. If you chose self-spirituality, maybe starting each day with 10 minutes guided meditation, signing up for that online course on meditation, or finally tackling that self-esteem building workshop you've been eyeing. If you chose relationship, the actionable goal might mean scheduling monthly outing with your partner or friend, booking a consultation for couples therapy, or reading a relationship book together. And if you chose career and money, it could mean creating a 3-month action plan to launch a side hustle, researching a career switch, or setting up weekly information or interviews with people in your target industry. The key here is clarity. Your goal should be as specific and actionable as it can be. Step 2. The alignment architecture. And now that we've got the goal out of the way, the next step is where most people, or what most people, overlook: using the resources they have with intention to fuel their goal. This can be using your time, money, whatever it is, to achieve your most ambitious goal. Money is not just something to save, invest, or spend. It's a tool, and when you use it with intention, it can accelerate your progress just like anything else. And here's how you can use your resources just like money to fuel your goal. First, understand your net income. That's the money that hits your bank account after taxes every month. From this, subtract your essentials, your monthly rentals, utilities, groceries, minimum debt repayment, or other unavoidable bills. Then what's left with you is your discretionary income. And that's the income you can allocate wherever and for whatever purpose you have. Your savings, investment, whatever your goal is. The next is allocate a portion of this discretionary income to your goals. Out of what's left after covering your essentials, decide how much you want to dedicate from your discretionary income to your goals. This is your transformation fund. Even if it's 20,000 naira or $20 per month, that's okay. The amount isn't as important as the intention behind it. And no, this doesn't mean neglecting your financial responsibilities altogether. Your transformation fund works alongside your priorities like savings for emergency, contributing to retirement, or paying off your debt. And the third is to put your money to work. Now create a completely separate account for your goals and name it after the focus area. For example, fitness goals, business growth fund, or relationship growth fund. Set up an automatic transfer from this account each month into this new account. This ensures your goals get prioritized even without you thinking about it. And the most important rule here is that the money in this account has just one job and one job alone: to fuel your goal. If it's your health fund, use it for workout classes, healthy meals, or physio section. If it's your relationship fund, spend it on date night, outing, or hosting friends and family. If it's your career fund, invest in trainings, courses, resources, or tools to advance your professional growth. Now pay attention to this. If you get to the end of the month and that money hasn't been touched, it's a red flag. It means you are not prioritizing your goal. The purpose of this money isn't to sit in your account, it's to invest in your transformation. And step 3, the progress part. This is where the magic happens, or doesn't. Life gets busy, unexpected expenses pop up, and old habits creep back in. To stay on track, you need a progress path system. Here's how to make it work. The first is to make monthly check-in. Set a recurring calendar reminder for the first of every month, or whatever works for you within the first week of every month. If the money in your discretionary account is untouched, find out why. Did life get in the way? Did your goals slip down out of your priority list? Or did you find something else to do within this period? Use this as an opportunity to reassess, refocus, and take action. The second is through progress tracking. Keep a simple note on your phone to track whatever happens in your life. You are using your money for a purpose, and that's to move your life forward. If your goal is relationship, write down each dinner, outings, or events you've hosted. Who came? What did happen? This not only keeps you accountable, but also motivates you to continue on to the next one. If your goal is work related or career, track the courses you've taken, the interviews you've taken, or the process or progress you've made on each of your side hustle. What did you learn? What is changing? These are very important questions you need to be asking yourself to truly transform. And the next is the adjustment window. Every 3 months, evaluate the system. Is it working? Are you seeing actual changes in your life? If not, adjust either your goal or the money strategy. Maybe you need to allocate more funds to it, change your approach, or redefine what actually success means for you. Let me summarize. Designing your life isn't about earning more or saving more. It's about using your current resources differently with intention, purpose, and a focus on your goals. When you align your money with your goals, you are no longer stuck in the treadmill or in the to-do list. You are moving forward step by step towards the life you've always wanted. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step forward today. Define your priorities, create your transformation fund, and watch how everything begins to change. And I love you to check out my other videos on why disappearing to transform is the fastest way to change and navigate life challenges. It's a detailed step-by-step method to achieving the most ambitious goals. If you found this video helpful, again, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. As always, bye bye.